Now let's see the system components of DBMS. First one is hardware. It is a physical device used to run the database system. It might be the hard disk, server or network device or inside the computer. So mouse, keyboard, monitor, these are the hardware, right? An example can be a server storing the company database. So next one is the software. So software means programs that manage the database. Actually, it is a collection of program, and DBMS itself is a software. And inside the DBMS, it might be MySQL, Oracle database, Microsoft SQL Server, and operating system is also a software. And application program like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, these are some application program, and this belongs to software. Example, MySQL used to manage student record. Now let's see the another component of DBMS. So data, it is the most important component. Why? Because we are working on data. We need data to process. So software handles the data. So actually, so hardware, software, people, they are working on the data. So to process the data, to find the meaningful informations from the data, so we need data. So this is the most important component. Example, student names, marks, roll number, so etc. And actual facts and records stored in the database. Actual facts are stored in the database. This is important. And next one is the procedure. Rules and instruction for using and managing the database. So it might be backup process, how we can take the backup, and what are the security guidelines and data entry guidelines. So in our database we cannot insert the anomalies. It means we cannot delete the data without any predefined rules. We cannot insert the data without any predefined rules, right? We have specific rules for everything. So we need to follow the procedure. It means we have to follow the security guidelines. So this is also another important component of DBMS. Example, steps for taking daily backup, database backup. So there is a steps to take the database backup. Next one is database access language. It means this is the language used to access and manipulate the data. Mainly in relational database, we use SQL. It means structure query language. And this is the simple example. Select extract from student. Next one is users. People who interact with the database. It means actually it might be the DBA, database designer, programmer, end user, or the normal user. That might be the users. And example, bank staff using customers database. So these are the some component of DBMS, system component of DBMS. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much. Thank you.